Are they fighting or arguing? Huh? Are they? To strengthen their bonds is to get closer to each other. They sing to get closer to each other.